What's up everybody, my name's Trey and welcome to another video. Now before you say anything, I know it's been a really long time since I posted, but I've got some really good things in the works. Or, I hope. Anyway. But if you haven't read the title to this video, first just what are you doing? Because I have a pretty cool experiment that I can't wait to try and hopefully you'll be along for the journey with me. In this video, I'll be explaining how I plan to go from $0 to $100,000 this year, all outside of my primary income. So if you would like to learn all the ways that I plan on doing that, well, make sure you watch this video in its entirety because I think it'll have a lot of really good information for us. But before we do that, if you haven't been here before, let's go ahead and get into the intro, baby. And just like that, we're back and ready to go. So, to go from $0 to $100,000 this year, it's going to be really difficult. Let's just be completely honest with you. A lot of people out there don't even make $100,000. So the question is, how exactly are we actually going to do that? So I have a few different things laid out. And I think they're really good ideas and hopefully they'll be good investments in the long run to actually get us closer to that goal. Now, the number one thing that I'm actually going to focus on will be YouTube. So right now I have about 4 channels that I'm running. However, I'm not being consistent with my posting. I mean, as you can see with this channel, I haven't posted in like almost a year. Well, the problem is it takes a lot of time actually making videos, editing videos, posting videos, making the description for videos, doing the SEO research and figuring out what exactly keywords need to be in your video. And to be honest, I got hit with a little bit of information overload and I just haven't posted. And I'm also lazy. So all the ways that I'm going to be making money this year, going to be as easy as possible because I don't like a lot of stress in my life. So the first YouTube channel that we're going to go over, I'll pop it up on the screen so you can actually see it, is my personal YouTube channel. On this channel, we're going to talk about how to make money online, how to become financially free, how to increase your income. We're going to talk a lot about money, how to make it, how to save it, how to invest it. Or at least that's my main focus for my personal channel. Now, I also have a reaction channel in which I basically will just react to different things on the internet, whether it be anime, new songs that come out, different ways to make money, and just like crazy news that's going on the internet. Because I think it's interesting. I'm going to watch it anyway, so I might as well make a video of it, post it online, and hopefully I'll actually make some money from it one day. Now, the third channel that I'm actively working on is Wizard Sound Official. Now, on this channel, I basically make lo-fi music and I put anime art in front of it. So it's basically music that you can sleep to, you can study to, you can clean your house to. Now, this music, they don't have any words in it. It's literally just beats and melodies. Hopefully that just, gives off good vibes, helps you have a good day. Now for my fourth channel, it's actually a channel that I just bought from Caleb Box. Now Caleb Box is a pretty big YouTuber. He talks a lot about having faceless channels, cash cow channels. So basically YouTube channels that don't show your face and they're basically ran by freelancers or outsourced to other people to actually make all the content, post the videos, write the descriptions. So basically the parts that require the most amount of time, you're outsourcing it to somebody else and having them make all the content actually for you. Now, I just bought the basically YouTube automation program from him and his agency. So we'll see how that actually goes, but I'll give you a little bit of breakdown because it was pretty expensive. But hopefully in the long run, it'll pan out and be a successful channel. Now, with this channel that I recently purchased, like I said, it's not up yet, it's not running, doesn't have any videos, and I'll update you more as the process goes along. But in the conversations that I've had with him and his team, it basically looks like it takes anywhere between 6 and 8 months for you to really start seeing income come in from your physical channel when it comes to AdSense, or basically getting paid through YouTube for the views on your channel. Hopefully we'll be able to increase that a little bit when it comes to not only selling merch, but maybe some affiliate links and maybe selling our own products somewhere down the line. I don't really know how that's going to go. Like I said, I just bought it. So hopefully it pans out in the future, but I'll keep you updated as long as the process goes. Now, a little bit that he told me, they average a little over $3 grand a month for new stores, and they have about 100 stores. So like I said, $3 grand a month would be amazing, especially for the price that I paid. I'm not going to tell you that part though, because I don't need you all up in my business now. But that would definitely make us profitable first year if we can hit those 3K numbers relatively quickly. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for, but we'll really see how exactly that manifests itself here soon. Now, I've also been listening to a lot of Gary Vee, and if you don't know who he is, super amazing motivational speaker, entrepreneur. Basically, he just seems like he has everything figured out. But he basically explained that you need to be posting 100 pieces of content every single day. Now, I'm not got tongue twisted because I'm not going to be able to do that much. But my goal is to post to my TikToks, my Instagrams, and my Facebook at least one time a day. And I'm basically going to use clips from my YouTube videos as posts and as stories. So I'm not making, 20 different pieces of content. I might make 5 different pieces of content and then share them across all the social medias that I have to hopefully grow all of them simultaneously, grow an audience, be able to, and really build a community that's going to support each other and help each other move forward when it comes to making money or whatever the case may be. Now, the next thing that I'm actually going to be invested in will be a Roth IRA. Now, if you don't know what a Roth is, it's basically a retirement account that you put money into now, and then when you retire, you're able to take that money out and you're not going to pay taxes on it because you've already paid taxes on it now. It's a really great investment vehicle. A lot of wealthy people that I talk to definitely recommend it. So I was like, hey, I like money. I don't like paying taxes. So if I already have to pay taxes once, definitely don't want to pay taxes again when I take the money out. So there you go, guys. That's going to be more of a hands-off kind of passive income generator because, I don't do anything. I just invest my money into it every month. Hopefully the stock market does well, or it doesn't really matter. I'm making money regardless. And then, obviously as I retire, I can take that money out. Now, one thing that I've been super interested in, however, I have very little knowledge about, is cryptocurrencies. I understand like the bare minimum of crypto, but I don't really understand how you're supposed to pick and choose which coins are actually going to do well and which ones are just pump and dumps. So I found this app. It's called the Stoic app, but essentially what it allows you to do is invest into a computer algorithm that's going to essentially pick stocks for you and trade those on a daily or even on like an hourly basis. It basically just runs off a formula that says, hey, if cryptocurrencies is overvalued, you're going to sell it. If it's undervalued, you're going to buy it. Don't know exactly how it works, but my thought process is I'm going to do a little bit more research on that, throw a little bit of money into it, and then just kind of see how it grows. If it does well, it can definitely be, in my opinion, a really good asset to kind of add on to everything else that we're doing to get us to that $100,000 goal, because it's already February and I didn't make too much money in January. So we got a lot of work to do, guys. Now, in the meantime, when it comes to not only building on these YouTube channels, posting on all the social media accounts, I'm also going to be flipping things. I'll have another video linked up here somewhere. I've been flipping things for a while, so going to Goodwill, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, finding items that I think are undervalued or free. I'm basically going to fix them up and I'm going to sell them on different platforms. So if I find it on Craigslist, I'm going to then sell it on Facebook Marketplace. If I find it on Goodwill, I might resell it on Craigslist. Whatever the case may be, I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of time in this area, but it will create some, quick cash. Now, by no means is it going to make you rich overnight or anything like that, but it could be just a nice little income where if I sell a camera, I might make $100, $200. That's more than enough money. Then I can go, eat out or buy some new shoes or whatever the case may be. And the final thing that I'm going to be doing will be lead generation. Now, basically what this looks like is I am building websites on Google, and I'm trying to get those websites to rank. And then I'm going to reach out to businesses or individuals that need clients in order for their businesses to run. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Literally every business. That's why I'm trying this business model out, because I thought it made sense too. But basically what these people are going to do is I'm going to reach out to them and say, hey, I have a plumbing website that's ranked in a specific city and it's getting leads coming in, and I wanted to see if you wanted to rent out this website and take care of these customers for me, because obviously I'm not a plumber. I don't know how to do that stuff. But if you are a plumber, gives you more leads, gives you more customers, and basically I'm just going to take either a percentage or just a flat fee for them to get all of those leads. Like I said, I'm going to go into all of these more in depth in later videos, but that's basically the gist of it. Now, 3 potential businesses that I'm looking into would be Facebook Marketplace automation. I think that one could be really interesting. I have a Facebook Marketplace account set up where I sell things on it, I buy things on it, but I would love to be able to actually automate the process using VAs or freelancers that will post the items, do the descriptions, make sure they get sent out on time, update the shipping information. That could be really interesting. But the problem is I'm just trying to find exactly who to go through when it comes to actually doing that. Now, I did find this guy right here. I think he's pretty trustworthy. I've been watching his videos for a while, so I think that's the route I'm going to go down. But I need a lot more research, obviously, in him and his company, as well as the price is a little bit steep. So I'm going to have to definitely save up some money in order to do that. The second one is Walmart automation. Exactly the same concept as Facebook Marketplace automation. You're just doing it on Walmart's platform. I think that could be really interesting, as it is a pretty new platform. It started early last year. Not a lot of people are really using it to actually sell on, but some of the negatives that I've heard are that people are getting kicked off for basically no reason. And if I buy an automation business from an agency and Walmart kicks us off the platform, I can't really blame the agency, as they did their part when it comes to setting up my account, selling products, but Walmart just wasn't necessarily happy with whatever. So I don't know if that's necessarily going to be the route that we'll go down until Walmart kind of matures a little bit. So I think I'm going to stick to Facebook Marketplace. And then also the third one, Amazon automation, same exact concept, just on the Amazon platform. And I'm sure you've probably seen everywhere that people are making millions of dollars on Amazon, which is great for them, but I would just like a little bit of the pie. So also looking at that. And the cool thing is all 3 of these automations, Facebook Marketplace, Walmart, and Amazon, are all offered by the same person. So like I said, just going to do a little bit more research, kind of see what he recommends, or if their agency is even the best fit for me, because I think it could be a very good investment for the long term. So I'm really looking at this as a year-long endeavor when it comes to making $100 grand, knowing that the first few months are probably going to be really slow because I'm going to have to set up everything. I mean, if we look at YouTube, my personal channel and my reaction channel are not even monetized yet. So hopefully we'll get those in the next couple months. Do some brand deals, do some sponsorships, and be able to make some income through those. My social medias, like I said, those are just kind of increasing my reach when it comes to my audience. Hopefully just creating a really good community of people that want to be uplifting, be positive, and help each other make a little bit of money. My completely hands-off investments are the YouTube channel that I bought from Caleb, and then also my Roth IRA, and it's going to be my Stoic app investing for the cryptocurrencies, because I want to be able to make money while I sleep, and those are the only ways that I really thought I could actually do that. And then I'll also be trying just random fads that come on TikTok and YouTube when it comes to making money. So the big thing right now is NFTs. I don't understand anything about them. I don't understand how you can buy a simple digital piece of art for $500,000, but we're going to try to learn it. We're going to try to flip a few. Those will be in later videos as well. But that's really all I have for you today. That's really my plan from going to $0 to $100,000 in this next year. Hopefully you enjoy the journey with me. Like I said, if you find any of these interesting, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section down below, or shoot me an email. I'm sure we can partner up on something, or we can just struggle through this together, and well, at least if none of these businesses actually work out, well then, at least there's some pretty good information out there to don't try anything that I'm doing, because I'm just a normal dude, so if I can figure it out, I'm sure you can too. But that's really it. Like I said, my name's Trey. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. On this channel, we talk about how to make money online, financial freedom, and, well, how just to have more fun in your free time because you have more money. With that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.